Some employees send an update on what they've worked on to managers or clients every week, and when it comes time to do this, it's a game of remembering or collecting the information of everything that was done. You can use this trick. Let's construct an example new email and call it Stuff Done. I'll add the first thing I got done today. Got a cup of coffee. Now press Ctrl+S to save this as a draft, or close the window and say you want to save the changes. Throughout my week, I can just go into the Drafts folder where I can complete something and add it to the email. At the end of the week, I address the email, hit send, and I look like an administrative genius.